This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Moving forward, could you please share your perspective on what artificial intelligence does and its primary functions?
Yes. So of course, we do a lot of manual things and we do a lot of automation. At the same time, the needs of in the industry today, in every industry, is demandable. So AI helps us multiple way in multiple purposes. It depends where you use. In the education sectors, the AI is super helpful because the education sector is continuously growing. It needs to be grown a lot to provide the students the better quality of education. More precisely is the amount of the content need to be updated, need to be grown, and the constant and the instant response the students need, actually only the AI can help. And at the same time, the schools can get the extensive benefits from the AI, especially the teacher. They can build the content on the go. At the same time, they can the content creation time will be reduced, content improvement time will be reduced, and when the student, they can actually get the 24/7 assistance for the AI on behalf of the student. Now the question is how a company implement AI on their education sector. It really varies. It depends. Based on their implementation, the outcome will be different. If someone implement robust, their outcome will be robust. If someone using only the open AI, it will be different outcome.